point to me so why nya eno ti na mani abere say when we kwaya me masem bia ho why we boju so Osama Beladi ana wo tata kwala no school mu ho no ase wo no didi fadi school forma anya mo fa ase no so wo no didi fadi school forma anya mo fa ase no come on leave
two so for me like one to my yes now you incident like say me na me boa no
ana say na wa hey who nyina nyame adom waju university
but enemy can
house you very
person na be e be cosmetic work obe bregu o e te be boa kola no fa
o so you know why hey ada na we tintin sa who ba be yes ma hospital o be so ba ho e dey how come on leave this house hey okay fifi akola mi nyapan
kai de bi o
e ma happy na wa ye ya men kai me
buo no ndo
wo di awa ye ne se akola no timi di ne kohye sum mu miemia no matini nyina ba me ka ho sam da me yi ne se me a kira wo
di am se me ni kohye sum mu
enyo no na ka microphone ne be hu wa ba ka wono akola ba ne wo ba wonka wo wujuma wo di no wo ye sum mu nyuma wo yi sum mu nyuma firi wa kwam ne wla di shira ko leave this house shege ya bantum banza wo ba na ye course ya the course me wan say wani makwala nan say akwala yi fifi me suspect ye na utin kwasa ye malaria I'm still doubting we free school abetu
I know they bother, cause I'm getting without the losses. And tell me who the first gonna stop this, cause I'm forcing.
I'm no more loser, they feel this why I choose. Big things coming up, get ready to groove. It's funny how you see things getting approved, but the devil them don't know, say them figure you did lose.
I've been trying to reach you, even me coming here. I'm trying to call you, I'm not even answering my phone.
You know, you beat me say I'll be okay.
Yeah, what's up?
You beat me say I'll be okay.
Why you say you know they pick my call? Why you not picking up my call?
Nah, you know, see, me the love I get for you, check like it be sister love. You understand?
I know.
Where you know say they give us assignment say make you do, it be group work.
Right. What's up?
I don't seem to be happy.
What is wrong with you? What is happening?
Could you believe that Kosia said she's breaking up with me?
Wait, which Kosia?
Think of it, my cosmate everywhere always. I know it's like you know she did the click. You be dull. So always like me say bear, always like you go be okay in all the courses like all the practicals that we do.
Why are you talking like this? I know you know everything, and I'm not doing anything to.
How a verse now? How a verse now?
Why say you verse?
Yes, I barely day. I call you severally. I call you. Your phone they count like the corner they go. Where I said nah.
Battery. Moreover, we had light out, so I had to go and charge it at my friend's place.
You know what? Your uncle you do it for your house.
Janelle. Yeah.
She said what? She's breaking up with you.
Yeah.
For what reason?
Basically, I can't support her this time around because she's investing and a whole lot. She want to buy some stuff like booklet and a lot of stuff that she's requesting like an amount of money that I cannot get for her. So she's giving me a distance that
Gosh.
she want to break up with me.
Nana, that girl is ungrateful. I've been telling you that girl would disgrace you one day. You see?
I do know what pains me. Like when you really free Tama near senior high school and I'm supporting
me
me money and I'm supporting it to say already be free me review. Now person say this time around opusa me nyam malintino. Until person me money gap like only me jai.
Hey, Janelle.
I can't believe this.
Janelle, I told you. I said I'll catch you on there.
Your uncle, I broke away I can't there. As I can't be and say I beg where they make a go plus some go do on this political. You know what you talk me?
What did he say? Did he say something to offend you?
Hey, that uncle I swear sick of if you penny if you come man, that be why. If you come man, that be everything from say I go deal plus some.
You know how he's ignorant and then he's a bit illiterate and he has not gone to school. So you don't have to take his words so serious.
You know what he talk way? You know what he talk way like he passed himself. You know how he say matter.
I'm sorry.
You know what he talk way piss me off.
What did he say?
He talk way piss me say, he hear say, Becky, even me, I carry you then go hide some place be where I smooth you the stuff. The day where you go pregnant, me I go see. Me say at the die time, so no the talk. So like me at the die time.
My uncle said that to you.
Are you when they talk?
Are you serious? So money.
For now, I just came to you just to, ask for some money. If you can give me, let's say, 1,000 Ghana cedi, to go and support Akusuya, because I really love her and I don't want to lose her. So, Ella, me person mommy busia 1,000 na me fan because what's me yes can support on Tony book near the other. Na I am paso. Na duma say duma for from me koye say me koye no. If na say me room as he can buy. Na it's really painful say at this stage person oyi me free oyi me ma. I just came to you just to see if you can give me 1,000 Ghana cedi.
Give you 1,000
Yeah,
Ghana
I'll pay it back to you.
See the way I'm looking at you. It's not like I don't have it to, or I can't give you. But what show say, an assurance when I will say, if I give it to you, go and give it to her. Listen, next time when I say you be my wife, or no better, just let her go. You've done enough for this girl. She doesn't appreciate you. Fine, it's not your fault. And there is no way out. Like she'll be open up for anything.
See, Prince, you just hold on. I'll go to the house and then I'll just go and face him and talk to him. I'm sorry. You forgive me. I'm
see the caring and the energy way I get for you. The time I get for you.
I'm sorry.
When your uncle did the way they talk say, I know the condition we did the house inside. You make a pregnant, I go see. I know say how she should have good. It dey force and stuff, but
hey,
your uncle Your uncle or they are for him doing if him somebody I go sound them there.
You go sound my uncle.
I be outside, I don't go fit. That be outside there for you. You are not go fit on them. Me adverse you. I do where I send you for this thing for documents for your phone top. So you check. I do for you.
Thank you, bro. I love you, bro. You do all. Charlie, give it to them, baby. Give me 360.
Yeah, look at you.
Yeah. So I'll catch up with you.
Alright, okay.
I'm sorry to.
Please, but I won't buy something for the KFC there.
Okay.
So you will crash. Alright.
Only what Jaya Manenko go up on Hoka. And now Uboboka was saying, and I did not ask to say, like, you are the man.
I spent on that.
You spent a lot, not me. You spent a lot.
It pains me that she doesn't even remember the good things that.
Oh, how can she remember?
Way back. And she's basing on this recently, like, of her being at the university.
Janelle and the nice in this one, who member Kukuda. Sweetheart, Media, Minya come with them out. But some of them are Palma, my girl, no. But now, months later, something when you be a man, me, it's me as idea. Say, what's going to the lady, but Janelle the party, sweetheart, count me out. Seriously, I don't even have. Yes, I don't share.
You know what? You just support me, okay?
Sister, I can't. I will not support you. I know you love her. That one, dear me, I am happy for you guys. But so demand this capano when you went to see me. There's a girl named Kai. You see this? Look at talk crime.
Fools be putting hexes on we, but we still they tend to stick in the lead. Day or day, make a day my day. No, they think of trying, it's a felony. Wale, start this thing, no be today. No, they take your reggae, come spoil my blues. Day or day, make a day my day.
Wale, I don't need for that, cause I'm getting with seven losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
Wale, I know they bother, cause I'm getting wins after losses. Tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. Wale.
Where are you for you, man? If I say, I'm the contract in a movie that I don't know what's happening. Yes, I say, me, watching move, remember I make sure you move.
My dear, but she shows some frost.
I'm the boy.
I could see you. Oh, come per se, me,
20 million. I'm going to support you.